Hi, my friends. My name is Miss Eileen. Welcome back to our story time. My friends, what do you see? Do you see lots, lots and lots of different types of food? Yeah, there are many different types of food. Let's see what we are reading today. The title of the story that we are reading today is Thanksgiving. Wow, we are reading about Thanksgiving today. And the authors are Pearl Yo, Qinghua, and Ben Liff. One, two, and three. There are three authors for this story. Authors are people who write all the wonderful words to stories. Wow, there are three authors. And it's illustrated by Siming Liao. Illustrated means this person drew all the wonderful drawings and pictures to the story. So all the wonderful drawing, the beautiful people, the wonderful food, it's all illustrated by Siming Liao. Isn't this person talented? I think so too. So my friends, we are reading about, yes, we are reading about Thanksgiving. The title usually tells us what the whole thing is about. So the whole story should be about Thanksgiving. Let's dig in and let's read. Here comes Thanksgiving. The leaves are falling. Wow, my friends, do you see? Yes, this is a big tree. And what do you see on the tree? Yeah, there are many, many leaves. Do you see leaves on the ground? Yes, they are falling down. And what colors do you see? Yes, I see it too. I see red, yellow, orange, and brown. Yes, there are many colors on the tree. Very good. I clean with my mom. Decorating with my dad is so much fun. Hmm, decorating. Let's see. I clean with my mom, and decorating with my dad is so much fun. Oh, I see. I see. They are putting up pumpkins and pictures of turkey. They are decorating their house for Thanksgiving. I see a little hat on this tree too. How cute! Who is busy in the kitchen? Daddy is baking a pumpkin pie. Dad is baking a pumpkin pie. These are slices, chop, 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 of pumpkin, and Dad is kneading a dough for the pie. Dad is busy making a pumpkin pie. Who is helping Daddy? Hmm. Mommy is cooking a turkey. Mom is cooking a turkey. Whoa, that's a big turkey. Wow. Mom is helping Daddy cooking a turkey. My friends, what color is the turkey? What color? Yes, the turkey is orange. Good job. I use fall leaves to make a craft turkey plate. Ooh, here I am. Here's a turkey plate. I made a turkey using a round plate. I glue some leaves like the turkey feather. I made a craft turkey plate. How awesome! So smart. It is story time on the carpet. My sister is reading a story about being thankful. Whoa, being thankful. I see. Here I am remembering a story of how mom is helping me when I was a baby. So I am thankful that mom was helping me when I was little. And here, sister is telling me a story about the very, very first Thanksgiving and how everybody was thankful for each other. Wow, I love story time. Do you love story time? Yeah, me too. Dinner is ready. We are very happy. I am so happy. Oh, look at all the delicious food. There are yummy green beans, mashed potato, yellow and orange corn, apple pie, yummy turkey, blueberry pie. My goodness, yummy for my tummy. Thanksgiving is the time we express thankfulness. Daddy said, I am thankful for sunny fall days. Sister says, I am thankful for my friends. Mommy says, I am thankful for my family. And I said, I am thankful for the Thanksgiving story my sister read to me. Wow, my friends, I love that everybody is expressing their thankful heart. They are thankful for something or someone. That is so wonderful. Well, my friends, this is the end of our Thanksgiving story. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thanksgiving is usually a time for us to think about what we are thankful for. So, do you have something or somebody you are thankful for? Hmm. Can you share what they grown up at home? How or who you are thankful for? I will see you next time, my friend. Thank you. Goodbye.